Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a brow gel by CATRICE Cosmetics. This is the Lash and Brow Designer Shaping and Conditioning Mascara Gel. The cost of it is €2.95 and I will also do a wear test to see if this will actually hold my brows in place. On my brows, I have already applied Superlast 24-hour eyebrow pomade pencil by Essence in the shade brown, and this is also waterproof. I like this pencil, it stays on me a lot of hours, but I can still see after a few hours that the upper part of my brow hair, it goes downwards, and I cannot do something about that. I hope that this will work today. So let's see what it says on this transparent packaging. Caring lash and eyebrow gel for perfectly defined eyes. The quick drying texture contains panthenol, defines and holds the eyelashes and eyebrows. Ophthalmologically tested. See, oh, this is a very weird. Oh, okay. On one side, it looks like a spoolie, and on the other side, it looks like it has extended bristles. Very weird. Do we have any directions? How do I use this? No, nothing. Nada. Okay. So I don't know which side I will use on my brows because this is also for eyelashes. I don't know which one should I use. Okay, we have two eyebrows. I will use one side on one and the other on the other. That's all. That's all. Okay, so I will use the spoolie part on this eyebrow. Do you see, girl? Okay. And I will try to lift them up, all the brow hair, because this is how I want them. Okay, I will let it dry. And also we can see that the brush removed some of the brow pencil that I had on my brows. So I will clean it on a tissue and then I will dip it again. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Get the product on the brush, and I will use the extended part of the spoolie on the other eye. Yeah. Okay, I don't know which side it will be better. Okay, I will apply some more on this. Okay, and I will make it. Okay. Do you think my brows will stay like this? I will apply a second layer on the other eye. I will let this dry. And we will see if they will stay like this. I don't mind if they stay like this because my brows are always so stubborn. So, I feel the gel that it is setting. Okay, maybe this is a winner? We will see. I am also reviewing the primer that I have on my face today, and I will link down below the video because I have already uploaded it on Monday. I know I speak like I am from the future. I'm not. Back to the future. No. So yeah, let's let it dry. Okay, I think I like this side a little better because it didn't remove a lot of the brow pencil that I had, and on this side I can see a very specific point that I don't have brow pencil. I will not do anything else on my brows, and I will see you in a couple of minutes, but in reality it will be in a couple of hours with our first check-in. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with our eyebrows. So I will zoom, 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 zoom. My eyebrows are the same. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is a winner, yeah. So I'm very excited that this actually works for me. I think that the best way to use this is the extended part of the spoolie, not the spoolie, because I had removed a little bit of the brow pencil on this one. My brow pencil looks exactly the same. The intensity is the same. It's been more than 9 hours. It is almost 10 hours, guys. And look at my brows. it is amazing. I was also wearing a hoodie and by mistake I touched them and I thought, oh my god, I ruined my brows, but my brows are very good. My brows looking good. If you have very wild eyebrows like me, very stubborn and they don't want to stay in place, this is something that you will need to use. And how much does this cost? Let me see my notes because I think it is €2.95. Oh yeah, here it is. Guys, this is €2.95 and it worked on my brows. Imagine on your eyebrows because my brows are out of hue. They fight with each other. Some they are going downwards, some they are going upwards. They don't stay in the correct line. This is my new best friend. I'm so happy that I found this brow gel and it is so affordable. Let me know in the comments below if you're using brow gels or you find them completely useless. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!